to say welcome to Goa Gong Waterfall. Maybe you have a question why we call this cold water is Goa Gong.
Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in, how do you pronounce it?
Sulangai
village.
Yeah.
Sulangai village, and I'm here at a waterfall called Goa
Gong Waterfall.
Goa Gong Waterfall.
Nice.
Just need assistance from the guys here, so I'm just going to purchase my ticket.
Here guys, Goa Gong Waterfall, like the private waterfall.
Lovely, wonderful, friendly people.
Mr. Alit.
Okay, can I have ticket? Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you.
Give the ticket.
Thank you.
You see?
Okay,
Thank
so
you,
the ticket is 20,000. And let's go and explore this waterfall. Come with me. Okay, so I'm just going to take the drive down to the waterfall now and show you the track, what it's like going down there. So stay with me. Let's go. So as you can see, it's quite a narrow track to drive down for the motorbike. However, it's all concrete, so it's nice and easy for the motorbike. You're going to have no problems coming down and no problems getting back out. So just drive down to this point and you'll be okay. Okay, so it's a little bit confusing. The guy at the tickets office where I just purchased my ticket, he said you can drive your bike down. I've just drove my bike down and come to a complete dead end and then just steps going down to the waterfall. So I've just had to track back up and realised there's no sign, but you park your bike up here. So there's just a little area at the side of the track just for leaving your bike. However, there's no sign explaining you that. I just continued coming down here, and then there you come to just steps, and as you can see, it's very tight to try and turn the bike back around. So remember that if you come here, they should put signs telling you don't go any further on the bike, but I've figured it out for myself and I'm sharing it with you. So don't come to this point, because otherwise it's very difficult to turn the bike back around because it's narrow track. Okay, so let's make our way down to the waterfall. So it's all nice concrete steps, and then we have a dog barking. Onto flat now. Wow, these rocks. Wow, so beautiful. Look at the bamboo. Oh my god, that is so huge. Wow. Ooh la la. Okay, so we're just going to take a dip in the water. Okay, so we have a guy here now down at the waterfall. He's going to give us a little bit of a story of the history of the waterfall. So over to him. Hello.
Well, okay. Good morning. I introduce myself. My name is Ketut. Ketut means Navajo in Bali. So the first time I have to say welcome to Goa Gong Waterfall. Maybe you have a question why we call this cold water is Goa Gong. Yeah, because last time a very second month according to the Balinese calendar, this waterfall always produce the sound like the sound of the gong. Do you know the gong? The gong is a kind of music like boom, boom. Yeah, that is the gong in Bali. Yeah, one of the elements of the music in Bali. So, and then Goa means what is it? The cave. Yeah, the cave, or maybe we can say the ski. That is a symbol of Iswara. And then the name of this river is Sukat Hilap. Because everything we do in the world must be thinking first, and then speech, and then action. So then in Bali, when we have a good thinking, good speech, and good action, I'm sure the result will be good. So in Bali, we call Sabda, Bayu, Sidap. Yeah, Sabda, it is in the middle, and then Bayu means for the Brahma. Yeah, everything must be joined together. Yeah, not enough only just thinking, not just only enough talking, also not enough only just action. It is only always stuck from thinking, speech, and action. Yeah, so this is must be runway. Never stop like the runway of the water. Yeah, that is a little bit philosophy why we call this waterfall is Goa Gong Waterfall. Yeah, full of philosophy. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I hope you understood the guy's explanation to us. We're just going to go and take a walk over there now because there is some photo opportunities that I want to share with you, so let's go. So we have maybe a changing facility or something up here. Oh, so it's a toilet and a shower. One nice little photo opportunity here, and there is actually another one up there that we'll show you in a minute. So that's how your pictures are going to look. There's your love heart. Ooh la la. Wow guys, so Goa Gong, another fabulous waterfall here in Bali. I wasn't actually planning on coming here today, however again as I was driving past I saw a sign for it, so I decided to stop off and come and bench here and take a look at this place. So glad I did, because this is really a beautiful waterfall. When I arrived I did have it here to myself, however now there is a few more people just come, so it's a really beautiful waterfall, good value for money at 20,000, and I think this is another one that you can include. Again, if you're going to Nung Nung, it's not so far from Nung Nung, maybe around 10 minutes from Nung Nung waterfall, so combine the two together. Hope you've enjoyed this video, hope you've enjoyed Goa Gong waterfall. Hope you enjoyed the explanation from the Indonesian regarding why they call this Goa Gong. and I shall say bye for now. You can see there's family there with some young children. Ideal for young children because it's only a shallow waterfall.